So today we are going to discuss about the delete statement in SQL. Removing a row from a table queries, the delete command as seen in the examples in the last section, the where clause is essential to removing only the rows you intend. So delete without a where clause will empty the table space completely. The following commands deletes the whirlpool entries from the comfort table. So what is written here? Delete from comfort where city equal to whirlpool. Of course, a where clause in a delete, just as in an update or a select, that is part of an insert, can contain as much logic as any select statement and may include subqueries, unions, intersects, and so on. You can always roll back a bad insert, update, or delete, but you really should experiment with select before actually making the change to the database to make sure you are doing the right thing. Now that you have just deleted the rows where city equal to whirlpool, you can test the effect of that delete with a simple query. Select star from comfort where city equal to whirlpool. No rows selected means it is deleted. Now roll back the delete and run the query. Roll back complete. Select star from comfort where city equal to whirlpool. Again we are seeing the data here: city, sample date, noon, midnight, precipitation. So these are the values. 7 rows selected. So in SQL and SQL Plus, this illustrates that recovery is possible so long as a commit has not occurred. If the changes have been committed, you may be able to use flashback queries to retrieve the data. An additional command for deleting records, truncate, does not behave the same as delete, whereas delete allows you to commit or roll back the deletion. Truncate automatically delete all the records from the table. The action of truncate command cannot be rolled back or committed. The truncated records are unrecoverable. You cannot perform a flashback query to see data that has been truncated. See the truncate command in the alphabetical reference for the further details. Next we will learn about the update statement in the next video.